It was wonderful that Michael Shoen was at the Arizona Concours with his 1968 concept car made by Shelby American as a prototype, and he won a special award for Automotive Artistry. We have a video already. This is an alumni from a video we've done already. I'm going to post a link in the description.
Was creativity and quality in its execution and craftsmanship. And I probably could not have thought of a better exemplar of this than this extremely special and very little known example of American sports car history. Wow. So you want to make the presentation, then I can do the interview? Yeah. Thank you, sorry, I just need to chat with you for a bit. This is too special a car, just let you drive off. That's not going to happen. First and foremost, can you just let us know, I know a little bit about this car, but no one has ever seen this car before, quite likely. And tell me how it came to be created.
The Shelby American, when they knew that the 427 Cobra was going to be discontinued, they figured they were going to build a new Cobra, and this was the prototype for the new Cobra. But by the time they got it built, Ford had shut off the money to Shelby, and so they never did develop it, but it was all finished, and then I ran across it 47 years ago, and through the grace of God and a lot of other hard work for a lot of different people, why we got it all done and developed it. It works good. It's a good working car.
And I know that you've got a long history with Shelby and Shelby cars, so to be able to find and bring this back to vibrant life must have been one of the biggest thrills of your life.
I'm really grateful that I got to do it, because it was the last part of the dream of Shelby American. Shelby didn't like this car, and the reason he didn't like it, because it was not a Cobra. It didn't have easy rear visibility, it didn't have easy entry and egress, it wasn't cheap, and it wasn't simple. But really, if Shelby was here today, I think he'd admit that this, along with the Lamborghini Miura, were the first two supercars.
It's an extraordinary thing, and when you see, first of all, I am so grateful when parts of history which could have been lost forever are preserved and brought back out for people to understand and share and appreciate. It's so wonderful, but you wonder what if this had been developed. It would have been unbelievable.
Yeah, unbelievable.
So I have to ask this question too. It's my last question. What is it like to drive?
It's basically a GT. It's an old GT40. It's all set up like a GT40. I just have a relatively low horsepower motor in it because we wanted to do the development on it. But it was designed by the same guy who was the leader in the design of the GT40s.
Well, this is just a brilliant car, and we are so incredibly grateful for you for sharing this piece of history with us, and congratulations on a very well-deserved award. Thank you.
Please check the link to a full video that we did with Michael Shoen's special prototype Shelby.